Milky Margalio Colpe. I'm 28 years old. I'm married. I have one kid. Is boy. She's 5 years old. I work 2 years and 4 months at my first employer. In my past employer, I taking kids, house chores, taking pet, and then marketing. And I prefer to work taking care of kids, pets, also the adult. Um, I prefer to work coworker. It's okay to me. I'm simple. I'm happy person. I'm initiative. I'm fast learning, willing to learn everything. Thank you. I hope I join to your family soon. Bye.